should be on. There we go.
Hey, welcome everyone, Total Scumbag RC. So here I got my Tinyhawk Freestyle little drone.
Okay, so it should fly.
I'm not very experienced with it. I'm chucking my goggles on, so all I can see is the view out of the camera. FPV, first person view.
Stop doing that to him, will ya? Wow. See ya. Wow. See ya. Nice to meet ya.
Yeah, so I had a bit of trouble. I maybe didn't put the battery in properly, and the cable moved and was hitting the propeller. So as soon as we tried to take off there, it just flipped over straight away. Daniel sorted it out for me. And we're off. This flight here is really just sort of getting accustomed, acclimatized to the goggles and the drone. Like I've hardly ever flown this, maybe about 5 minutes in a very small area before. So this is my first real experience of it, like in the open skies above the trees. So yeah, maybe not doing so well, but you know, it's flying around and getting the hang of it here.
Coming for landing, Robbie, watch out.
Nice.
For landing, Robbie, watch out.
Bit unsure about landing it. Yeah, sorry about that shot there. I just tried to get it level. But not too bad landing, really. It went down, no damage.
Good fly.
Should be ready to go. Yeah, maybe just a little bit back because I'm not sure what's going to happen to take off.
Yeah,
this is my third time flying it in the goggles, alright?
Yeah.
So it took a bit of time to compose myself, played with the RC cars and stuff, as you can see, videos posted and videos coming up on the channel. Make sure you hit subscribe. Don't bother pressing that bell, that's annoying, those notifications. And but yeah, you see this flight, I've actually a lot more confidence, and I'm flying the drone where I want it to go. I only have trouble when I lose signal through the goggles at a couple of points. But yeah, this was a really satisfying flight. It gave me a lot of confidence and belief that yeah, I can fly a drone. Pitch, yaw, roll, throttle, bring it.
Yeah, I'm doing alright, eh, Robbie?
Hey?
I'm doing alright, I think.
Yeah, not bad. Buddy, I'm getting dizzy though.
Oh yeah, sorry, mate.
No, all good.
You don't have to worry, whatever you're capturing, awesome.
Yeah.
Well, we're in trouble. Oh, where we go? It's fucking awesome being above the trees.
Yeah. You have a wicked view, eh? Oh, yes, you're literally just controlling this. Well, you can see just through the goggles, eh? So it's like you're a pilot's view.
That's all I can see, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm flying around me. You see the drone's flying, that's me.
Yeah.
It's fucking wicked, man.
So thank you for watching. This is definitely fun to make, flying the drone, and I'm definitely going to be flying
Yeah,
more
all
and
good.
maybe trying to work out how to attach my camera to it once I'm a bit more confident. But coming in for a nice landing here. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, eh? Appreciate all my viewers, subscribers, friends, anyone that watches. Leave a comment. Fishing boy, you're a legend.
What a landing.
Fucking very nice. You happy with that, eh?
That was sick. Where is it? Oh, yeah.
Right there.